All right.
Okay. Um, okay, cool. So we are just going to continue on from last week with the algorithm, sorting algorithm. I think we're very close to finishing it, but so let's see. Um, to branch the let me expand this. Uh, this open live server. Um, do this. So from last week, we were able to display everything else except for the Cochrane component. So we're just going to continue that with the code. We'll do this. This. All right. So basically, our goal for today is just displaying the smaller components around the yellow part, and we're just gonna do it for the first mid component, mid element. So yeah, we were able to get something on last week, but the thing is, it's not displaying. So we have on the canvas. You can see that there is core elements around it, but the issue is not displaying. Uh, if we change the visibility from hidden to so where was it again? Right here. So you were to do it this way. Save. You should display it. uh,
Okay. This one
yeah,
is
and this almost done. It's just like we have to get it hidden, and then the moment you click it, it should be displaying. It's just like when I click it, right, it's not turning visible. Uh, there is something wrong with this function, but couldn't quite figure out last week.
I see.
So if we
I
were to
think it's
test it,
because it's is there a loop for this?
it is a loop. Like the loop is right here. So basically, I was getting I I get the DOM for the Pokemon div, and then I basically loop through
Each of
every
them.
each of them, and
Mhm.
then it should be displaying from click. So if I do like a add event listener click for
Mm.
open link, open calling view, and then it should change it to visible. But the issue is it doesn't even run through this function at all. So I put like a print statement over here,
I
and then
see.
the click it's not even printing.
I
So
see.
there is something wrong here. Yeah.
Yes, that is because line 299, I believe it returns back an array. So when you put style dot visibility and all that, right, it doesn't really work because you're appending that to an array.
Okay.
You because you notice, right, it says get elements by class name. So by default, elements by name, this thing actually returns an array. So I think you try to console log what this gives first before setting the style visibility and all that. Then I think
Okay.
that will give us a better idea of what's going on. Yeah, because I was discussing with Ching Hong on this as well, actually. Few
Okay.
days ago.
Oh no, I should print it outside. Yeah. Mm,
That one on top.
is there?
It's in
Okay.
console.
Oh, right here. All right. Right here. Okay. It's a list of notes, note list. So in order to get that, and let me try looping through this thing, I guess. If I were to pick each one of them, then I would do like a document get by class name. Okay. Do like a constant. This document or and okay.
Okay, so for this one, right, you want to use the for each, right?
Yeah, I was trying to do the for each, but I couldn't recall how I do it. How I use it.
Can no worries. By the way, I think I think you deleted something, right? The function at 299, the curly bracket, the open curly bracket.
The
Did you
function
delete
at 299. Uh,
Like
I think no,
299 or
this
not?
is the function. This is the function.
Oh,
This is the function. So initially, I was I didn't look through it. I basically just switch it, do it by like the changing it to the visible. But what I'm trying to do right now is just putting this into the
yeah.
putting this into them. Okay,
Can.
Yeah. Like this.
So for this one, yeah, you want to open bracket, another bracket, another open bracket. No, within it.
In it. Okay.
Okay. You
It
and in
is
front, open bracket again. Circle the circle brackets.
inside this.
No, outside.
Outside. Okay.
Yes, correct. And inside here you can put like element. Yes, correct.
Okay.
Yeah. Then for each there you want to pass in an element. You can call it element or item lah. Yeah, this one. So basically it will go through each of the items inside. So this is an item.
Okay.
And for each of this item, you want to add to the class list.
Item dot style.
Yeah, I think so. Okay, yep, nice.
Sound good. I expect tokens at cons
300.
300. 300.
I think your 299, right? There should be like a curly bracket, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Then surround at the bottom. Yes.
Save this. No error. So do this. Let me check.
Maybe we can console log the item and see what's going on.
It's not even displaying.
Interesting.
Open core view item. I click open core view. Open core view constant chrono list is this for each item.
So what is chain? Or open core view I++.
Let me do this. Let me remove this just to see what this is.
Yeah, I think that's good.
Or not list which not function. I think I missed
something. Okay.
So I think it's saying that it's not an array in this case.
Okay. Hold on. I did something on this just yesterday only. Yeah, because it is a node list. A node list functions slightly differently from an array list.
Okay.
Yeah, so for that, right, we need a spread operator. Okay, so for a spread operator, right, it's basically do what you just did. But
with the
for
three dot, right? Like
yes, with 2 dots, and you refer back to the code again. So line 293. Yeah, so line 293, core node list is equals to so there open square bracket and then triple dot. Sorry, the should be on the other side of the equation. Yeah,
right here.
yeah. So this whole thing should be inside that square bracket.
Oh, okay.
Mm.
You mean like square bracket this whole thing? Or
Yes. Yeah. So square bracket this whole thing and then put triple dot in front. Yeah. I think this should do the trick. That's it. No, it's not coming out.
try again. Yeah, it's not coming up.
Okay. Let's see how can we change that.
If I try this,
That one should work.
it's
292 is
two. If I to remove this, 292 is working, right? So
yeah.
wait, save, refresh. It's not working anymore because the length is 0. So
Oh, I think your code, right? Maybe the reason why it's not working is because it's not created yet, is it? Like when is core element created?
the core element is being created
Only after you press it, right?
no, it's already being created. It's just it's hidden. So I added the core element in this, like the whole function is it's already in there. So if you do like this,
Mm.
you can see that the element is around here, right?
All right.
Yeah, it's just like the visibility, I changed it to hidden. Yeah. So right now what I'm trying to do is to look through this thing so that I can show them all by clicking onto the yellow the orange div, the orange element. Yeah. But it's not looping through from my understanding.
Okay. Could we try could we try that operator again? Okay, but then you console log the core node list right after.
Console of the core node list after.
Yeah. So
Okay.
you apply the spread
Yep.
on it first and see.
Okay.
And what does this return us actually? Is it the rock? Is it the right one? Yeah, 294 should be core node list only. Okay. Core node list. Yes.
Empty.
How about we check the HTML?
Okay.
No, don't press on it. Don't press on it. The moment you press on it,
okay.
Okay, you restart again, because what I think is happening is the core element does not exist the moment you create this thing. Yeah.
But the Pokemon one, it doesn't even exist.
Yes. That's why when the moment you unload, this function does not show anything inside. Yeah, because They don't exist in the first place. Your thing only starts working after you press on that orange button.
Okay. So
Because I believe your core element is generated dynamically.
yeah.
Mm.
Okay.
Yes.
In this case,
So I think this line works. It's just we need to place them at another position.
let's try.
Maybe open calling view. Oh,
Crawling view, because this is the function that is being clicked on, right? So
yes. Mm. Yep.
there's a
I think-
conflict.
I think the
Um,
203.
I'll do a different name.
Okay. Yep. Nice.
It doesn't matter because it doesn't even go through this thing.
Oh, see.
I see.
Mm. Open call view.
I think you can maybe like find the point of creation for the yellow, what do you call that?
The Pokemon.
Yeah,
diff,
yeah, that
like,
one. Yeah.
yeah.
Find which line. Where do you start? I mean, like, where do you create that?
Okay. That thing is at element.
Mm-hmm.
It is being created right here.
All right. So I think you can put that like those functions right under that at element function.
Outside the for loop.
Outside the for loop.
Yep, outside the for loop. Yes.
Yes.
Right after that. Yeah.
Mm.
Because in order for it to work, you need to like have those things created.
And I think this does look correct.
So we got a log down there. So we have
Right here.
them.
Yeah.
Right. And then you need to like get the for loop where you put all of the event listeners right under those that line.
Okay.
For yeah, you can try that.
Mm.
Okay.
I believe it's a 297, right? That's you're using that as your event listener, right?
Yeah, this is the event listener.
Mm.
Don't forget 292.
Mm, Overcalling view. Oh, this one is
Yeah.
so this function also needs to go in there as well.
No need. This function will be the moment you define.
Oh
the
yeah,
function,
it's
it will be
okay,
moved out.
okay.
So no worries. But I
Okay.
think that function will have some funny things going on. But never mind. You try it out.
Check
See.
first. No, call list item is not a function. 16156.
5, 6.
I think I'll do the for each.
Hmm.
So I do one of this start for each. And then crawling view. So I need to be deleted.
Hmm. Interesting.
Excuse me. Deleted. Okay. It's being created, but
It's
it's looping
correct.
through, but it's not.
Okay. I think it's the function itself. So I think this one is successful already. Now it's just a
Okay.
matter of that function itself. Yeah,
Open crawling.
it's good.
Okay.
Hmm. So this
And
You can delete
open.
that if you want.
I can do. Okay. Just a function.
core element. Yeah, I think so for this one. Need to use the spread operator for 297. And I think from there should be able to work. Core element. Okay. But then why this one looks very similar to your other one? To your line one.
As in like the
Like the selector they are trying to find. So this is core element. Okay, so
this is called core. Uh, core element. Where is it? Yeah, it's right here. So I name it under core element.
Okay, so this one can just visibility, star visibility.
I
It's not
think
even printing.
yeah, I mean, like, I think you can try to make sure that the function is working. If you want to do that, you can just comment out from like the loop and stuff. Just let the console out there.
Yeah.
So if it displays that, then we have no problem with the
Entering.
listeners. It's just about the
Okay.
inside things.
Mm. Yep.
Yeah, it's not even passing a function because the statement is not being printed.
I think you have to click it. Just try to click it.
You try click on something.
All right. So basically, it's not like doesn't actually put the event listener there.
Yeah, it doesn't go
Okay.
in. Interesting.
Let me double check. Get micro element. being created. Element dot
Each element, I'm gonna add a listener to it.
let me change the name and see if it's making any difference. I don't think it does, but
Each element.
it doesn't make any difference.
Open
For
call.
each
It looks quite correct already. Hmm.
we
Okay, so this one works.
visibility hidden. Okay. Element dot add event
Then
listener
what?
click.
Oh. Hmm. So the idea is the moment you click on any one of them, then they will show all the elements, is it?
Mm-hmm.
I see.
Yeah, it's not even responding. Open crawling.
Open call link.
Constant core node list equals to document get element by class name core element.
Currently, the one problem is it's not showing it works right in the first place.
Mm.
So that it's not coming in. So that means our problem should be on top instead.
Yeah,
Mm.
it should be it should be at where we like assign this function to.
Okay.
Yeah, problem lies here.
Yes. Click.
When the element is being created, this is the element. The core element is the one. So so I don't actually need to loop through it in the function, right? Because right now, like the element is being looping through, and then for each of them we add one click event listener,
Yes.
and then it's like the moment you click it, everything will be displaying.
Yeah.
So is this for each loop necessary?
Technically, it's also what you're saying is we can just turn them visible straight away on top, right?
Yeah, I'm just thinking lah.
I think we'll try that. Yeah, because I realize you're calling out the same thing here, like core element, core
Yeah.
element.
Because it's being created in this loop, right? It's like everything is like created in a list.
Yes.
Yeah. So this whole element is the small one outside.
Mm.
So I don't think there is a need to loop through again. So if I am to do
Yeah.
how do I do this? If I just do this, and then do what was I have to change the name again, but dot visibility looks to so hopefully it works.
The thing is 299 will generate you an array. So,
99 will generate an array.
yep. So what is it called? Spreader.
No, as I see it, it's not even passing the function in.
Yes.
So this one doesn't even go through. I don't think that's the problem anymore.
Could we try a simple console log function here?
In here.
Yes. So replace the open calling view, turn it into a console log. There's something weird about this part. Don't know what is it.
I click it.
You can't put like that. You need to put an arrow function in there.
Okay. So I just do this.
I think the arrow function not complete. So there's a
Yeah, the
curly bracket.
curly bracket.
Yes, curly bracket there. Console. Yeah, hopefully this can. Yeah, our problem is definitely somewhere around here. Click it. For each element is created.
The element.
What is the type for the element? Can you hover on it? I just want to see.
This one, like the.
Yeah, just hover on element. Oh, so it's basically an element.
Yeah, the element is there. It's just the visibility is hidden. So if I were to like. Yeah, it's right there.
Could it be, right? It's because you're creating it all in one function. So that means, right, this whole function from line 153 to 159, it should exist elsewhere outside instead. I mean, yeah, that's the only thing I can think of at the moment because it looks like this function looks correct already.
So here is when they are being created. So the element canvas element, which is the Pokemon. So then, and then here is the core element. So after they are being created,
because if this function is working, right, every time you click on another part of it, there should be a whole new thing being generated, right?
it should, I guess.
But currently what we're seeing is not. So I feel, could it be because it's stuck inside this function?
Let me try this. It is working. It's just this thing. Okay.
This event is not here is the problem. This event is not here is the problem.
I think it's because that add event listener is not even like for that element.
It's not even getting the.
I mean, like, is if that element variable
Mhm.
is a type of an element, yeah, you can see that when you hover on it. Yeah, see in the VS Code. You can see it on the VS Code. All right, try to hover on the element. So on the right side, you have that element, right? So that's
Mhm.
basically an element type. So if I like scroll through the documentation for HTML, we don't have the add event listener for element. So we might have to do something else in order to add that event listener.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm still like checking through it up.
Hmm. Which is really weird. The event system.
Click. Info.log.
Wait, sorry. Could you go back to that again, Nelson? The
It's okay.
click. Click event. Okay lah. I also cannot spot the problem here.
Add event listeners. Click.
The question is, why is this one not working?
Is there a typo here? I don't think there's a typo.
Line 59 is connected to 155, right? Yeah, it's connected to 155.
Not yet.
Element.add event listener. Click.
The component.
Trying to append the event listener to each one of these. Okay.
That's for the temp.
It was a good attempt.
Okay. Yeah, the event listener is not functioning correctly. Core element. That's weird.
I think okay, this sounds a little bit weird, right? But what if we set a timer interval, like a set time interval, right, where you run this listener code after this has been created, like 0.1 seconds?
For this thing, for the
Yes.
element thing. Or
All these things. So starting from line 153, we activate these codes after this function has been run. Because currently we cannot run that 153, right, the moment it loads. That's a problem.
yeah,
Right. So why we trigger this whole thing to run by
after
itself in
certain.
yeah, let it run outside by itself. Yeah, so like using a set timer, set time interval kind of thing to trigger it.
So we just set like something like a certain timer here, and then before
And,
it runs
this
through this.
whole thing will be inside another function. This will be a function outside.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm. Because right, I feel like this code really have no problem, you know. It's only the
It is.
159 is not working somehow.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Because even if I put this thing out here, it's also visible. So it's just the event listener.
Hmm.
Let me try the time interval thing. Set timeout
Hmm.
with some.
This one now looks quite complicated. JavaScript.
Okay. Set time output is a function, and then this is the timer. So if I were to do function right here. Syntax. Oh, delay.
Yeah, that one. 1000.
So do a function and then the delay
Hmm.
set timeout.
Uh,
Wait on this. And
maybe like 500 like that. 500 would be half a second. Or actually, I think we can go 100, 100. Yeah, the moment it works, right?
1 sec.
Yeah, 1
100.
second.
Okay.
Actually, maybe we put 500 first, just in case it requires a little bit more delay.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Cool.
See how it goes.
Nope. It doesn't do anything.
Interesting. The delay note list, you try to remove the brackets. Would it still? Forgot
Yeah.
how to. Yeah. Try to remove that one.
Yeah. It's not being created. Okay.
Yes, very interesting. Okay, I think maybe this one we ask Yi Chang if you really cannot.
Okay.
Wait.
I'm pretty
Can
sure we
you,
are almost there already.
wait, I was thinking, can you like see what element is that yellow element?
Okay.
Uh-huh.
It's
So
the
it's based,
Pokemon element.
yeah, it's basically the Pokemon. Okay, look into your VS Code.
Oh.
Yeah, get elements by class name, it's core element.
Oh.
If you want to put an event listener to that Pokemon, you need to like reference it to the Pokemon.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
So
The code
The
below.
Coleman is the inner one, right? The green
yeah,
one. Yeah, they're the green
yeah.
one. So that's
so
what
when
went wrong. So yeah.
Okay, yeah. The event listener is attached wrongly already. So in that case, yeah, then the line 164 needs to go to the other function instead.
Yeah, and then you can pass that like that.
Yes.
You
Yeah,
can
this one
pass
will-
that the open link whatever that. Yeah, that one.
okay.
I mean, like the ad listener should work by now because
Mm,
I mean, like we've been like clicking on the wrong item.
Okay.
Yeah, put up the console. Okay, so
yes.
Cannot set
uh,
the
property on
visibility.
300. Line 300.
300 the last one.
Okay, yeah, we're entering here already.
So this one is to not say property of undefined.
Okay. Yeah, I think we can do this already. Because this
So
one,
it's basically the same thing like the one we did up there.
correct.
Yeah, you
no,
need to
let's
spread it.
spread it. So this one to do. Okay.
Hey, let's go.
It's just because of one stupid name for the thing.
Dang. Okay, let's go,
This
man.
is this yeah.
We
This
got
this
it.
is like this feels like those like when you do the type the coding and then you forgot to put the semicolon. It's the same thing.
But
Ah,
I think this will only work on that one Pokemon.
One particular, yeah. I think
Yeah.
that the rest won't it doesn't work. Yeah.
yeah, but I think yeah, it's fine lah.
Okay.
Yeah, because if one works, then I just need to figure out how to change that ID. Then I think should be fine already.
Mhm.
Mhm.
Okay.
Cool.
Oh, cool. I think we finished just nice on time, and yeah.
Yeah.
Nelson, I
Thank
think
you
once
for the.
once you're done with this, you can just push it to GitHub, and yeah, we're good to go.
Okay, cool. Thank you for the help, everyone.
Yeah. Thanks, Danish. That was some good. that was a good catch there.
Yeah, I mean, like I was like reading and like I was wondering too, like how like what happened wrong here.
Because I did notice this problem early on. Like, they are the same thing, but then it slipped my mind afterwards because I keep seeing it over and over again. Okay.
Nice one.
Nice.
So I'm just gonna end the recording.
Yeah.
Okay.
Awesome. Oh, just nice today.